In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome step by step so you can start using Google's AI tools directly from your browser. Gemini is becoming more deeply integrated into Google services, and depending on your region and account, you may already have access or just need to update Chrome and sign in properly. This is a simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you've been wondering where to find Gemini and how to make sure it works correctly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser you'll use to access Gemini and check for the latest features. If you don't already have Chrome open, launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder as you normally would. Once Chrome is open, the next step is to go to the official Gemini website. In the address bar, type Google Gemini and go to the official page. This is the main website for Gemini AI, and it's where you will sign in and check whether the service is available for your account. Make sure you're using the official Google Gemini site so you know you're on the correct platform. After the page loads, look for the sign in button. Click it and enter the Google account email and password that you want to use with Gemini. Gemini requires a Google account, so if you're not signed in yet, this is the step that connects your account to the service. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you want linked to Gemini in Chrome. Once you're signed in, check whether Gemini is available in your region and on your account. If access is available, you should see the Gemini chat interface, the prompt box, and possibly other AI tools depending on what Google has enabled for you. If you don't see everything right away, don't worry, because Google sometimes rolls out features gradually by country, account type, or browser version. That means some users get access before others, so it may be a matter of waiting or updating your browser. Now, this next step is very important. If Gemini is not showing up properly, or if features are missing, you should update Google Chrome. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it right away. Keeping Chrome updated is important because newer versions support the latest Gemini features much better and can improve compatibility with Google's AI tools. After the update installs, restart Chrome if prompted, then go back to Gemini and refresh the page. In many cases, that alone can solve access issues and unlock the newer experience. So to recap, you open Google Chrome, visit the official Gemini website, sign in with your Google account, check whether Gemini is available for your region and account, and then update Chrome if needed. That's the full process for getting access to Gemini in Chrome. It's quick, simple, and once everything is set up, you'll be ready to explore Google's AI tools right from your browser. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.